Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you 7 of my new and secret apps that you can use to make some extra cash online, or just to make some extra cash to pay extra bills or whatever it may be. And if you really work hard, you can make between $50 and $100 per day on these sort of apps, so they really do pay well, especially some certain ones that I'm going to show you. So stick around until the end of the video so you can get a good idea of how these apps work and how you can make use of them to make some good money online. And the first website I want to show you is an awesome platform called Cashmobi. And basically how this works is it's an app available on Android and iOS devices. So you basically get rewarded for trying or downloading free apps, completing surveys, watching videos and that sort of thing. And you basically get collected, or you collect pirate coins through your various activities or tasks that you perform on this website as a reward. And basically you can get anything of Amazon, iTunes, even Steam in terms of a gift voucher, or you can get cash sent straight to your PayPal account, which you can withdraw to your local bank account. So I mean, you can see here they are with Amazon gift cards, Google Play, Facebook game cards, Hulu Plus, Xbox, Sears gift cards, Walmart gift cards. So you can really, even Bitcoin as well, Visa and MasterCard, Starbucks. So you can really withdraw your cash in whatever you want, really. So how it works is you download and register for the app. You can download it on your Android or iOS device. As I said, you collect your coins, you get rewarded in terms of gift cards or actual cash by swiping or swapping your coins. And you can also refer friends. The nice thing about this, it's also got an affiliate marketing program where if you refer someone to this and they watch a video or perform a task and get paid, you will get a commission or a percentage of this. So you can either advertise with a platform like this. So if you've got your own little app or websites that you've maybe made into an app, you can advertise, where basically pay people to look and view your app. And then secondly is one of my favorite apps called Dosh.cash, and basically this is an application where you can sign up shops or buyers in the shops, and you get cash back on purchases that you make at shops. And they also have a very profitable affiliate marketing program. So if you sign up for a shop, for example, on this app, you basically get a cash back on your swipe or your cash sell. So basically you connect your card, your debit or credit card, to your Dosh app, and whenever you pay with your linked cards, Dosh gives you a cash back on your purchase. And you can also shop and dine out. So if you pay with your linked cards at thousands of different stores and restaurants, you can get up to 10% cash back automatically with your Dosh wallet or app. And you can also get paid to refer somebody. So if you refer somebody to Dosh, they sign up, link their card, you get $5 for this. And you can also transfer with your cash. So you can do what you want, transfer your cash to your bank accounts, PayPal, or donate to charity from the app. So you can see a whole bunch of well-known businesses, shops that you can see that are compatible with Dosh, that you can go and shop here with your card on your Dosh app and basically get cash back on every single swipe that you make. And then thirdly is a very cool app, and probably one of the easiest apps to make some extra money, is called Slidejoy.com. And basically how it works is you can run this app on your mobile phone. It will then have what you call, as you can see on the illustration here, it has an advert on your lock screen. So when you slide onto your phone on your lock screen with this advert, you basically get paid money for this. So it's really easy. You literally don't have to do anything. You're basically running adverts on your own phone. And then fourthly is an awesome and probably one of the oldest websites called Swagbucks.com. And here you basically get paid for a whole bunch of different tasks, ranging from shopping online, answering surveys, discovering different products, searching on Google, playing games. There's really a whole bunch of different ways that you can earn Swagbucks. You can also refer people and get paid for the tasks that they perform. So it's also a good way to set up a little bit of a residual income. So you can see here, if you make a sale on Amazon, or sorry, if you buy something on Amazon, you get up to a 10% cash back through Swagbucks. And you can basically get paid for various offers that trusted partners on this platform offer, ranging or varying from downloading and testing applications, quizzes for different applications. So for example, AdGate Media, if you click on them, you can see a whole bunch of different quizzes they have. So a game quiz, Wheel of Reward, Minecraft quiz, Flash, different quizzes on different games, and you basically just get paid Swagbucks for this. So this is a form of active income, so you have to be doing the work in order to get paid. But if you do refer people and they perform these tasks, you basically get some commissions from their earnings, and that's also a way of residual income. Then again, Swagbucks really has a nice variety on different ways to earn, but it won't make you rich, but it's really a great way to get some extra cash to go out, pay some debts, groceries and that sort of thing. But yeah, check it out. There's really a lot you can do on this platform. And then fifthly is a cool and awesome platform called Feature Points, where you basically get paid rewards or money online for completing web surveys, watching videos, downloading various apps, cashback from your sales or sales that you make in shops, and also sharing friends, the referral or the affiliate marketing program. So you can, as I say, earn cashback. You can shop at some awesome stores such as Target, Best Buy, Walmart, some of the biggest stores in the world, and earn hundreds of dollars in cash back with Feature Points. And the stores basically pay you a commission for sending you to them, and they then share it with you. So you can also complete surveys for basic questions like, do you own a dog, what car do you have, do you own game consoles, and you will get paid for this. And you can also download various different apps such as Instagram, Tinder, Clash of Clans, try some free games, try the app for a few minutes, and you'll also get paid for this. And you can also share with friends and earn up to 50% commission on every various task that they perform. So it's also a great way, as I say, to earn some residual income, and you can redeem your points for awesome rewards, whether it's PayPal Cash, Amazon, App Store, Xbox, PlayStation, Bitcoin. You can also go to the Play Store and get some apps, paid apps up there as well. So you can sign up or log in, and you can see they've rewarded over $5.6 million since 2012, which is good money. So this is definitely a platform worth having a look at. And then also one of my favorites for you fitness junkies out there is a awesome application called Sweatcoin, which is available on the App Store and the Google Play Store. So basically you get paid for walking. So you basically get tracked, and they verify every single step that you make through the app and also through GPS location, and those steps basically get converted into a currency called Sweatcoins, which you can use to redeem it with PayPal Cash, various different offers, so like $1,000 PayPal Cash, different phones. You can even buy an iPhone through your Sweatcoins, or like expeditions to go away on holiday, and that sort of thing. So it's really awesome. It's really an easy way to make money. You can literally, whatever you're doing in the day, leave this app on running on your phone, and you'll get paid for every single step that you make. And you can also get featured on Sweatcoin. So if you own one of 4 featured slots in front of millions of physically active and technology savvy users looking for the coolest new product. So yeah, it's a great way to get some more information. You just enter your email and you'll get more information on exclusive and I suppose secret products that they offer, which is really cool. And you can see what the press has to say about Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin has risen to the top of the App Store for helping folks getting something more than just a glow for taking those daily steps. Sweatcoin's first premise is that physical movement has economic value, which is awesome, which is really true. So the new UK health app Sweatcoin launched in the Apple Store this week and has been an instant hit, which is awesome. And I mean, at the same time, you're getting healthy, you're getting fit. So what's awesome, you're getting paid at the same time you're getting more fit and healthy. So this is really a great way to make some extra money. You can log onto the website, go have a look at their about page, read more about their team, and more about the company in general. But again, guys, these apps aren't going to make you rich. It's just a great way to earn some extra money, as I say, to pay off some bills, to maybe pay for entertainment, to go out a little bit, or groceries, or whatever your expenses may be if you want to earn an extra couple of $100 per month. So I really recommend maybe using more than one of these apps to earn even double or triple the amount of money that you want to earn off these apps. But let me know what your favorite one is, if you use any of these, and what your experience is like. So comment down below, leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and share this with your friends if people want to maybe get involved on making money online. That would be great. And subscribe if you're new to receive some great content on how you can make money online, boost your social media, basically stay-at-home jobs, as well as awesome upcoming courses, and to succeed in your online business. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.